Welcome back. Let me teach you how to solve this kind of question on the board. Now, the wavelength of ultraviolet radiation is 400 nanometer. If the speed of light in air is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second, calculate the wavelength frequency of the ultraviolet radiation. Alright, so now say solution. I told you that if you want to be good in calculating physics question, the first thing you ought to do is bring out the what? The data. Now the first question says wavelength. Now the first wavelength is what? 400 nanometer. And you all know that this wavelength is measured in meters, not nanometer. So I have to remove this nano that is here. Now what will I do? I'm going to divide this by what? By 1 million. So 1 billion meter is equivalent to 1 billion meters. Will give me 1 million. So I'm going to divide this by 400. So I will have 400 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. I have changed it. Right, so instead of me using 400 millimeter, I'm going to use this. Okay, now then the next thing they said speed of light. Now we all know that speed of light is v, that is what? 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Now I should find the what? Wavelength. So with this, I know that V is what? F lambda. So my F now will now be V over lambda. Simple. Now L will now give me my V is what? 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 8. All divided by 400 times 10 raised to the power minus 9. This is how it goes. So with this, actually when you have this kind of problem, this kind of things, first of all divide the whole number. So 3.0 and 400 are whole number. Now this is what? Indices. So 3.0 divided by 400, I will have 0.0075 multiplied by 10 raised to the power. This is positive 8, this is negative 9. So if you cross this thing changes to positive. Okay, 9. And I say times 8 plus 9. Okay, so you now say that frequency now will now give me 0.007 multiplied by positive 17. Okay, sorry, 75, that is here. Okay, now for me to find the final, now this I have 1, 2, 3. So my frequency will now be what? 5.7 times 10 raised to the power 17 minus 3. Where is the minus 7 coming from? This 3 decimal place. I have points here. Okay. So you now say that frequency will now give me 5.7 times 10 raised to the power 14. Since it's frequency, my answer will be in what? In hertz. Please share my work. Share what we do here so that others will learn. Thank you.